Gyros. Is that what you say it? Gyros? Not euros. Euros. I don't know how you say that. Gyros. Euros. Aldi's anyway. £3.25p. £3.29p I think. A pork one with tataki sauce and a chicken one. How the hell do you say that?
We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish from Greece originally, from Greek cuisine, made from meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie, a little bit like shawarma and tacos al pastor.
Okay.
It is derived from the lamb-based doner kebab, which is made in Turkey. So that's a little bit the Greek equivalent to the Turkish doner kebab. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this dish with the typical Greek pronunciation? Yi, the G is not pronounced like a G in Greek. Simply say yi and then ro.
Euro. That's what they are. Euros. So yeah, I was right. Euro, not euro. Euro. Euros then. That's what they are. A pork. Let me show you the stuff on it. I'll put my glasses on. I ain't gonna be able to read that. 511 calories per portion, well for half a pack. Nothing. Oh, here we go. Nutrition, if you want to have a look at that one. Pause it and do what you do. All the ingredients and that there. Oven, right then. Fan assisted for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the outer packaging and place the sauce in a bowl of water, hot water, yeah. Remove the pork from the packaging and place on a baking tray in the middle shelf. Cook for 10 to 12. Remove the flatbreads, wrap in foil. 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, quite simple then, isn't it? Alright, let's open it up. Oh, actually, before I open it up, let's have a look at the chicken one. 453 calories for half the pack. I've never had these before, ever. If they're nice, I might make my own one day. There's all the nutrition and the ingredients and all that. I suppose it cooks the same, doesn't it? 10 to 12 minutes. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Let's open them up then, have a look. Do the pork one first. Oh, okay. Nice little box there, look. There's the flatbreads. There's the sauce. Suppose you get quite a bit in there once it's defrosted. And there's the pork. Oh, there's a bit of pork. I was surprised about that. Quite a bit of pork in there, isn't there? Two. Okay, that's that one. They're getting mixed up. Quite looking forward to this one now. Now the chicken. Then 2 flatbreads. The sauce. And the chicken. Just like shredded chicken in it and that shredded pork. Okay then, right. So it's quite simple to do then, isn't it? Gyros. Well, I forgot what I say again now. Gyros. A bit like euros, isn't it? Right, so what I got myself 2 pans. The one's a lid, because I want to get them both in the middle shelf together. So I'm going to put the chicken in the shelf, in the lid one. I'll get that in. There's the chicken. Okay, sounds quite nice. You get it quite a lot, don't you? Spread that out a bit. The pans are hot already. I thought it might have been whole chicken, you had to dice it, but obviously not. And we'll do the pork one. There's the pork. That smells very porky, that does. Very porky. Break it up a bit. Bit of a lump on there. I'll break it as it goes. Oh, that's them done. They look quite nice, don't they? Right, while they're in the oven, I've got myself some foil. Expensive that foil is now, isn't it? Wow. And let's get the flatbreads in. Now, does it say wrap individually or what? Let me have a look. Remove flatbreads from packaging and wrap in foil. Doesn't say. I'm going to wrap them individually anyway. Get them open. There's the flatbreads. Now wrap them all individual. Like so. All wrapped up. And I'll get them in the oven for 12 minutes as well. Right there in the oven. Now I'll boil the kettle and get them in a bowl of hot water. Bowl, hot water. So how simple is this thing to do? There's no messing around, is there? Leave it another, what, 10 minutes now and it'll be done. Right, I've done myself a bit of salad with them. Just some lettuce and some cucumber and a few tomatoes. Because I want to put summer on them. And I think they're ready. The smells absolutely delicious in this kitchen. It's only been 12 minutes. So let's have a look. Oh, yes. Ooh. Oh, look at them. Whoops. Look at that. And the chicken one. Oh, don't they look nice? Them other ones need about another minute because it was about a minute after these. Look at them. Don't they look nice? Smells delicious, man. I'll give it 1 minute. Get the flatbreads out. They should be done then. Right, flatbreads should be done now. I'm going to take them out. So I did wrap them individually. Let's turn that oven off. Right, they're done. Boiling hot. So let's open one up and have a look. Hot, 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 hot. Oh yes, there it is. Boiling hot. Right, let's dish up then. Right, I'm going to put a bit of lettuce on first. I'm not sure about what salad you're supposed to put on these, but I'm putting normal salad on. I don't care. Bit of cucumber, got to have a bit of lettuce, a bit of salad on, ain't you? I put tomatoes on last. Let's get a bit of pork. It's not gorgeous, man. Quite a lot of pork really, I mean you can fill it right up. And I want to get me, I need to get me sauce. Put a couple of tomatoes on. There we go. Smells delicious, man. It really does. Bit of sauce on top. That's the pork one. Oh yes, that looks nice. So let's do a chicken one. Yeah, £3.29. I think that's good value actually. When it's all like that and it's all done for you. Chicken, I want some chicken. There's loads of meat. Some Toms. And a bit more sauce. What's that sauce taste like? Oh, nice little garlic in there. Nice little garlic. And there's the chicken one. I think it looked quite nice, don't you? Oh yes. Right, let's have a taste test. Right, I'm up the table. So let me show you, closer look. There they are. And they smell absolutely delicious. They really do. Yep, see if I can show you in there. Yum yum. Right, let's have a taste. I'm going to do the pork one first. Ooh, you eating yours?
I don't know what they are.
They're called, oh, I forgot what they're called now. It's Euros. I think that's what they're called. I think that's how you say it. One's pork and one's chicken. Smell delicious. I haven't put you any sauces on yours though, because in case you don't like it. Mmm. It's a little bit dry. The flavour's there. There is more sauce over there, I just can have some more sauce. Mmm. The flatbreads are nice. The meat's nice, it's just a little bit dry. I'll put myself some chilli sauce on that in a minute, I think. Let's try the chicken one. They are nice, but they're missing something. It's like they're a little bit... The taste's there, but I don't know what it is. It's like... What do you think? Like that?
I'm not sure.
They're nothing special, are they?
No.
It's missing something for me. I'm not sure what it is.
Onion.
Onion. Onion. Maybe onion. Fried onion.
Red onion. Yeah.
Fried red onion. It's missing something. I'm not sure what.
Got a weird aftertaste.
That's what I'm thinking. It's got a little bit of a...
Weird.
It needs something to take to...
It's not a smoky taste, it's a weird taste. They're not horrible,
Not horrible.
but they're a bit... Can't put my finger on it what it is.
Bit more seasoning or something. I don't know what it is. No?
No.
No, because it's seasoned in it. The meat's nice itself. It's Greek, I think, so that's what it's like. I don't know. It might be taste like that. But it needs that little... It's probably with chilli sauce or something in it. I don't know. No? You're like, ain't there? Half and half, ain't you? As good as my Dunner ones, I do. No. No. There we go then anyway. £3.29p. It's missing some, I'm not sure what it's missing. Let me know what you'd put on them. I didn't want to put any mayonnaise on because it's already got like the sauce on. Would I buy them again? Yeah, I think I would. Wouldn't you? You wouldn't eat them again? No. I'd probably buy them again for myself. For something quick. I mean, it took me, what, 15 minutes to do the lot. But maybe some chilli sauce on it. There we go anyway. I've tried it. I'm not sure what it's missing, but it is missing something.
It's not seasoning. It's not seasoning.
It's not seasoning. No, because the meat's seasoned, isn't it?
Maybe it's some sort of sauce.
Yeah. Well, there is sauce. I haven't put no sauce on yours. I don't know if you'd like that sauce.
Put onion or...
Yeah. Anyway, never mind. There we go. I tried it. £3.29. If you've had it, let me know what you think. Or what you think I should put on it. If we will buy it again. I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm going to put some chilli sauce on this now. See if that makes it better. See you later. Bye bye.